In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch back to the old Gmail layout in 2025. Whether you're not a fan of the new design or simply prefer the familiarity of the old interface, I'll guide you step by step through the process. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all of Google's services, including Gmail. You'll notice the familiar search bar and the various Google applications at the top of the page. Now take a moment to locate and click on the Sign In button situated at the top right corner of your screen. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your personal Google account. If you're not currently signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and password here. Ensure you use the correct credentials to access your Gmail account. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of the browser window again, and this time click on the Gmail link. This will take you directly to your Gmail homepage where all your emails are stored. You should now find yourself looking at your Gmail dashboard. It's from here we'll manage the settings to revert to the old layout. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Gmail interface. You'll see a gear icon. This represents your settings menu. With a single click, open this settings menu. Here, you're given access to various options that allow you to customize your Gmail experience. From the settings menu, look for the option labeled Quick Settings. This section provides you with a streamlined way to adjust some of the more common settings without having to go through the complete settings menu. As you explore the quick settings menu, you might come across several familiar options, including those for adjusting your inbox type, choosing a theme, and more. What you're looking for specifically is the option to switch back to the old layout. Keep in mind that interfaces may appear slightly different depending on updates, but typically there's a dedicated option that allows users to switch back to previous versions of Gmail's layout. Once you've made the change in the quick settings, your Gmail interface should immediately update to reflect the older layout you're used to. You can double check everything has worked correctly by navigating through your inbox and ensuring the visual elements match your expectations. And there you have it, a straightforward way to switch back to the old Gmail layout in 2025. Remember, if Google makes future updates, this process might change. However, the essential steps will likely remain similar. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video made your Gmail experience a bit more comfortable and familiar. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.